Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're sitting on a brand new 2018 Sea Ray SPX 210. Now, this SPX 210 has been optioned out really well. We've got the Fotique insert installed on the integrated swim platform of the boat. The boat also has a transom stereo remote for the Bluetooth stereo that it's optioned with. Upgraded stereo system inside the boat with 4 speakers and a subwoofer. The white and tan interior has a port side walk-through to get inside the boat. Wonderful L-shaped seating in the back for lots of people in the back. You know, it's nothing like being out on the water and having 8 or 10 of your best friends out there with you. It does come with a removable cooler and a built-in cooler. The boat is optioned with the seagrass flooring, so a really well laid out dash. Stereo remote right next to the steering wheel, making it easy for you to control the stereo system in the boat. In-dash depth finder, trim, a really well laid out gauge cluster with some stainless steel bezels and non-glare glass on the gauges. As we make our way into the bow is really roomy with stainless steel handles. Has seating for 3 or 4 people. You can lay out, you can kick back, or you can just sit up there. 2 speakers in the front so that everybody can enjoy the music. Non-skid so that you can get in and out of the boat from up there. We've got a great in-floor storage. This boat comes with a wakeboard tower, so you can fit your wakeboards in here, you can fit your skis in here, you can tube in here. Everything you need for a great day out on the water for just playing out in the water. Thanks for joining me today. Again, I'm Chris Harding, and this is MarineMax Dallas. Visit us at MarineMax.com to see all of our boats that we have in inventory, or come by the store and visit us and check out what we have. Thanks and have a great day.